Were you successful? Let's implement this together. So for this, we need to start in the views.py file. There we currently only get the challenge text. Now we also need to get the month name. Well, actually, we already do get the month name here with month. But we also might want to capitalize it. And therefore, what I'll do is I'll add a month name key here to my context to expose this month name variable in the template. But as a value, I'll set month.capitalize to transform this month string, which it is, to a string which starts with a capital character. We did this earlier as well. I already did call capitalize here, and now I'm just doing this again. So now we'll have this month name variable available in the template, and therefore here we could say month name challenge. Challenge is still hard-coded, but I inject the concrete value for the month name. We can do the same here in the title. You're not limited to using this injection feature, which officially is named interpolation, only in the body. You can use it anywhere in your HTML document. So therefore now if I save this, if I reload, we see June challenge here, we see June challenge in the tab title here, and therefore this now works. And that's already all. We're just using what we did before in different places of this document, and also with an extra value which we slightly change here before we hand it off to the template.